Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and we are at Pop Century Resort in Disney World. We are going to take a look at the room. This is what the typical room looks like. It's not a preferred room, it's just a typical room. Very, very clean, very nice. They did extra cleaning with what is happening right now. You can see it has a refrigerator and a very large TV. Most of us like the large TVs. Lots of space to put your clothes. If you're staying here for more than a night or two, you are going to like all the space. There's another closet on the left. Beautiful, cute Disney background. And a telephone that actually says we have a message, but I did not answer it. And now we have the bed. It's a nice big bed, very clean, as you can see. Everything was clean. The smell was fine. I didn't smell any bad odors or anything. Here, of course, the bathroom. And the bathroom is a very big size, as you can see. The shower and everything is very large. Again, it was very clean. Look at the space for the sink where you can brush your teeth, etc. And here is more room, more closet space here with some hangers. And you can see that there is an ironing board if you need to iron, extra toilet paper, everything you could possibly need was there. Then, like I said, the room was very clean. It was just a great room. We're going to go back into the bathroom because I want to show you that they even cleaned the soap and shampoo, and they have a little tags on it showing you that it was cleaned. And I think everything that you can do to keep clean at this point is very, very important. And here is the soap and shampoo and conditioner. And you can see the bathroom seems to be very large, and it has a very nice shower. Everything about this room I thought was very good quality. I mean, it's an affordable room, but it's very nice. In the TV, they give you lots of information, and look, even the remote control is clean. So that is our review of Pop Century. I give it an A+.